Okay, guys, this is going to be your class for today. We are going to see a workshop about perimeter areas and volumes. This, uh, curiously, you're not going to work with the same 5 exercises as always. We're only going to work with 4 of them, no more. And this is what you're going to do. You have the figures here, but don't get confused. Not always you're going to find the figure of that is illustrating your problem. You need to make reading compression, okay? Because that is really important for you, because not always you're going to have these figures, okay? So these are the exercises. I'm going to read them. You're going to find the volume of a room that has 5 meters long, 4 meters wide, and 2.5 meters high. B, find the amount of steel that you're going to need to make 10 cylindric cans of 10 centimeters of diameter and 20 centimeters high. C, for a party, Samuel Chavez has made 10 party hats with the shape of a cone using paperboard. What will be the volume of the party hats if the cone has 15 centimeters of radius and 25 centimeters high? D, a pool is 8 meters long, 6 meters wide, and 1.65 meters deep. The pool is painted at a rate of 6 euros, I don't know, per square meter. How much will it cost to paint it? How many liters of water will it take to fill it? So you don't have to worry, because we are going to do this all of together. So you don't have to be afraid. So thank you very much for your attention. You're being so kind, and good luck, because you're going to need it.